What are my rights as a passenger if I'm involved in an accident? Usually your rights as a passenger are... What's up everyone? This is Ali with the Ask Ali Show. We are doing a new segment where I'm going to answer your legal and business questions live on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you find me at CEO Lawyer. I'm going to answer your questions, so let's go. All right, Sylvia Correa asks, what are my rights as a passenger if I'm involved in an accident? My uncle hit a deer the other day. I think he was drunk. I want to see if I have a case. All right, that is a loaded question, Sylvia, but let's see if we can get this answered for you. Usually your rights as a passenger are more than the rights of the driver, because usually as a passenger, you're never at fault for an accident. There's always a chance that the driver of the vehicle that you're in is partially at fault for an accident. Let's say they failed to yield at a turn, or they were going too fast for conditions, or they were brake checking the person behind them. In all of those situations, they could be contributorily negligent. And because of that, the value of the driver's case is worth less than the value of the passenger's case. So, as a passenger, usually you have a case sometimes even better than the driver of that same vehicle. In addition, if the driver of your vehicle was at fault for the accident, you can go after the driver's insurance policy, even if they're a family member. Now, this doesn't mean that you're automatically gonna sue them and take them to court and blah, 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 right? 97% of cases settle without having to go to court, much less even file a lawsuit. This is usually just an insurance claim. So remember, if you're a passenger in a vehicle, you do have rights, sometimes even more than the driver. Even if you have a family member that causes the accident, you can make an insurance claim against their insurance policy, and rest assured, most of the time, you're not gonna go to court, you're not gonna have to file a lawsuit, you're just gonna get paid for your injuries, your pain and suffering, as long as you have a lawyer that knows how to set up that claim. So, Sylvia, if you're still looking for an attorney for your case, make sure to shoot me a message at CEO Lawyer. I'll tell you exactly what your case is worth and how you can get every last dollar for your case. I'm attorney Ali Awad, the CEO Lawyer with the Ask Ali Show. Ask your legal and business questions and I will answer them for you either in the DMs or in the comments. Take care.